Hi, I'm Anshuman Agarwal from Minimac Systems India. We are an organization who manufactures and exports products related to lubrication reliability. This organization was formed by me after I conceptualized what is lubrication reliability during my engineering days. My relation with the oil and gas industry starts right away from my engineering days at Indian School of Mines, which is a pioneer institution in this field of earth sciences. There I was a part of a branch that was related to machineries and mechanical engineering. So I could understand that tribology is something which is very important for the productivity of any plant and any establishment. So equipment reliability depends a lot on the mechanical parts and rotary components, and those are majorly related to the lubrication reliability. Hence the concept of manufacturing and offering solutions related to increase in lubrication reliability. Now, the sectors which we work in, of course, are oil and gas industry, the power generation sector, and cement, mining. Mostly they involve around the manufacturing related companies and the core sector companies. So this is how my relationship with the oil and gas industry and the related energy sector started. So Minimac was founded in the year 2012 in a town called Pune in India. It's an industrial city for India, where you can say it's like the Detroit of India because of most of automobile manufacturers and engineering component companies. They're based out of this city. We had a decent start where we in the first year itself went profitable, and we started our manufacturing facility as well as design capabilities right from the beginning. What we do is we have been into manufacturing as well as development of products related to lubrication reliability, and some of the products what we talk about are oil purification systems, oil flushing systems, filtration devices, testing and monitoring equipments and kits. So these find applicability in multiple industrial sectors. So in terms of our growth, we have had decent enough growth during the last few years since we incorporated. We have been scoring a CAGR of 40% year on year. Then we are a profitable organization having a PAT of around 10 to 15%. And today we are an organization having a team strength of around 50. Presently we are participating in a lot of startup awards. And recently we have bagged certain awards from the Indian government where we have been awarded as top MSME organization, as well as we have participated in an award called Leaders of Tomorrow in its 8th edition, where we were adjudged as top 5 in the country. We have also been awarded with the multiple top exporter awards of the country, and thereby we have certain level of branding and an image in the industry where we are working. As a startup, we have a strong growth plan ahead of us, and we would like to live up to that expectation. Minimac offers products for lubrication reliability. Here we have multiple offerings. We offer products, we offer services, consultancies, and awareness programs. Lubrication reliability today is a hot topic in the industry because most of the industrial equipment which have mechanical rotating parts, their life and their productivity depends upon the lubrication, and thereby the lubrication reliability finds its importance in almost all the industrial sectors. If I name a few of them, they can be the power sector, the oil and gas sector, the mining, cement, metal, steel, ports, and almost all of them. So we offer products related to machinery reliability improvements. Like if you talk about the lubrication oil, it's something which is extremely important for any machinery life and its productivity. Hence we offer products related to oil contamination control, We offer oil purification systems, then oil filtration systems, certain technologies which are niche ones like tan reduction techniques, low vacuum dehydration techniques. We also focus majorly on products which will be helpful in plant commissioning and pre-commissioning activities. So for any oil and gas setup or maybe a power generating setup, you have certain pre-commissioning activities where you have pipeline and process services jobs to be accomplished at the site. So we offer certain products and services related to the pre-commissioning activity, which can be named as chemical cleaning equipment, then your lube oil flushing systems, hydraulic flushing systems, umbilical flushings for the offshore industry, and multiple other products related to oil contamination control. We also offer testing and monitoring devices wherein you can do the oil analysis with regards to automatic and manual testing methodologies. In our services programs, we offer multiple rental services, annual rate contracts, AMCs, annual maintenance contracts, and we do offer consultancies to our clients. We also are very keen in offering awareness programs to various industrial sectors because lubrication and contamination control, they are pretty new topics in the industry, and there is a lot of awareness which has to be created, especially in the regions like Middle East, Africa, Asia, Southeast Asia, Pacific, and Latin America. So we are focusing majorly upon creating some awareness programs. We do a lot of activities over social media like LinkedIn and other social media portals, where we do create multiple articles, blogs, and questionnaires for our viewers and the audience. Minimac Systems offers versatile products which are applicable for multiple industrial sectors. We offer products in the oil and gas industry, the power sector, the cement sector, the metal sector including steel, aluminium, zinc, and copper, for the mining industry, and for the heavy engineering industry. There are multiple other sectors where our products also find applicability, like the automobile manufacturing, auto components manufacturing, port sectors, railways, plastic sector, rubber, and many more. So with this, I can always say that we are versatile in our applications. Under these industrial segments, there are multiple functions who use our equipment and our services. They can be right from the start of the life cycle of a manufacturing plant. So you have the commissioning phase where a manufacturing plant or a project is being set up. So our products find applications during the commissioning phase. Then you have the pre-commissioning phase where again our products find applications. Once a plant is established and the company is operating and doing its production, the major concern is operation and maintenance. So the reliability of an equipment is part of the maintenance department, and hence our company finds a lot of scope with the maintenance teams working across these sectors. We also find our applications of test and monitoring equipment with the condition monitoring cell and the reliability cell of these industrial companies. Well, it's very interesting to understand the story of a startup which is already 8 years old or young, I must say, because in our segment, that is the manufacturing segment and machinery manufacturing segment, where we are as an original equipment manufacturer, there are challenges related to the team building. So we started with a decent team size of around 5 to 10 in the first year, and from there on, after 8 years, we have grown to a size of 50 plus. So the biggest challenge what we face as a startup is when we started, it was one person handling almost all the departments and everyone reporting to that single person. And incidentally, that was me. So what challenge I faced over these years was when we grew up our size, as we expanded, it was literally impossible for me to handle each and every function in an efficient manner. So we started having multiple verticals or functional departments in our organization. Now, to head all these functions, it was important to have leadership positions to be filled by professionals or to be filled by the people who were already a part of the team. So these were certain organizational challenges and some HR related challenges what our organization faced during these last few years. The next challenge what I would say is how to scale from here. Because we are an organization where we are building machines, our equipments, although they are modular in nature, but every solution what we offer to our clients are kind of customized and tailor-made. So it's highly important that we take care of our clients in the best efficiency and best importance what we have been doing till date in the future as well. So in order to maintain the relationship and the strong bonding of our engineering with our clients, the level of trust that we have built with our clients over the years, that this company would offer them the most cost efficient solution and the product, that has to be maintained. So in my opinion, that's a big challenge and a target for all of us in Minimac. Well, during past 8 years of Minimac's journey in this industry, there have been some highs and certain lows as well. We have always celebrated and rejoiced the highs and learnt from the lows. One thing what I would suggest, what I would say here very confidently is that we have maintained the strong bonding within our team. Whoever joined our organization during these last 8 years has gelled up with the organizational culture very well. And in my opinion, if you ask me about my achievement, I would say that we have created a family in Minimac where the 50 odd people who are working in the organization are quite gelled together, and they have a common vision and a mission to grow together along with the company. The present growth strategy of Minimac stands at product development, market penetrations, market expansion, and in future we would be taking up certain diversification activities also. We have a strong target and goal for ourselves, that is to reach somewhere around 50 crore Indian rupees revenue by the end of next 3 years, and for that we are giving our best and we are targeting all our efforts and our capabilities to achieve our goal. The most important thing what we are doing is innovation and new product development, because with that we would be able to create a niche for ourselves in the market in the future activities. So we are developing products for the PPS, process and pipeline services, which is a part of pre-commissioning activity of any new product or a new project. So we are developing things like nitrogen generation skids. We are developing certain compressors and air dryers. Apart from that, we are working also on umbilical flushing systems, and we are giving our best to make further efficient oil flushing and chemical cleaning skids. In the space of oil purification, we have multiple technology changes which are happening for improving the efficiency of the job these machines are supposed to do. Hence, we as well are part of that innovation program, and we are developing new technologies, adopting them in the field, understanding those field results and launching our products. So in terms of our offerings, we normally concentrate on our standard motto of discern, design and deliver. Minimac Systems was founded with a mission to accelerate the technological advances in the field of lubrication reliability and ensuring a cost-efficient technological acceptance by the industry. We have a vision to spearhead the zero machine breakdown dream for the entire industry. We follow our values related to people empowerment, innovation, integrity, health and safety, and thereby offering customer joy. During these years, since our formation, we have always been aligned to our mission and the vision. We have a stiff target in the coming years where we would like to maintain our CAGR of 40% year on year, as well as we would like to have better profitabilities for our stakeholders, as well as better brand building for the organization in future. Here we have certain opportunities in the industry where we would like to co-work and collaborate with multiple other organizations and industrial sectors. This lubrication industrial sector, which we are a part of, has been changing over the years very rapidly. It has been understood by multiple consulting firms like McKinsey that lubrication products and the lube oil supplying organizations need to add value-added services to their product offerings. Hence, Minimac Systems is also collaborating with multiple lube oil suppliers, lubrication service providers, and other consultancy firms so that we can have a faster outreach into the markets where we are working. Minimac Systems has a strong applicability and versatility in the industrial segments where we work. We also find wide-scale application across the geography of the entire world. Hence, it's a very important task to reach out to the customers in a faster and an efficient manner. With the today's age where the IT has been quite strong and quite aligned with the marketing efforts, we believe strongly to adopt IT and AI into our marketing efforts. We have developed certain specialized tools which would help us and our teams to connect to our probable customers, future potentials, existing clients, and other stakeholders in a faster and an efficient manner. For that, we invest a lot in introspecting our present business processes and our practices, and thereby improving them by multiple brainstorming sessions within our teams, participating in various seminars and conferences, as well as doing a lot of investment in IT. Well, when I started with Minimac, it was more about doing something I was passionate about, and that was lubrication, tribology, equipment, all those. Later on, over the years, I could realize that it's not just a product that we are building together, but an ecosystem around us, which is highly dependent and highly aligned to the activities that Minimac would be doing right now and even in future. Thereby, a sense of responsibility has always come into my characteristic, where we take decisions based on what effect those would have over our stakeholders of the entire ecosystem. During these years, we have developed things like youth empowerment around our manpower. We have been quite vocal about gender parity, and today, although we are a manufacturing organization, but we can boast strongly about around 40% to 50% ratio between male and female staff in Minimac. For me personally, it has been a very valuable journey, and I have enjoyed whatever we have done during the years. At the same time, I feel highly responsible for the future, where I need to maintain the same level of growth what we have been doing till date. Minimac offerings of oil purification systems and lubrication reliability have a very strong social and environmental impact. We offer products related to oil purification, and hence we are ensuring recycling of a very valuable earth resource, which is in fact depleting. So while you are recycling or lubricating oil, you are reducing your dependence upon this valuable resource of your Mother Earth. At the same time, due to Minimac products, there is an increased efficiency of the entire plant and the incremental productivity of the industries where we are working. Thereby, there is a contribution towards reduction in the carbon footprint for the entire globe.